It's a Ben 10 production. Hey guys, what's up? So I am so happy because I just got back from Walmart and I got Water-Hazard. Yep, I'm glad that they sold this. I actually was expecting to get the cog pack, but they finally are selling this. So yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera and I'm gonna review them right here, right now, for you guys. Let me just move the blankets, and I'm gonna move the camera down. But before I open it up, let's get over the box. All right, so here's the box. You can see that Ben 10 Ultimate Alien logo, Ben Tennyson with the Ultimatrix right there. There's like an orange slant, like the half of the logo is like cut off. If you can, I'll put the camera up some more. Half of the logo is cut off, and there's Water-Hazard and the Disc Alien. And on the back shows you the rest of the line of the toys and View-Scope Ultimatrix there. Sorry about that. My webcam fell off. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay. So you saw the box. Now let's get them open. I'm just gonna open them like this. Okay, so I got it out now. Let's get out. Let's get Water-Hazard out. All right, so here's the Disc Alien. And push it up, and it pops out. So yeah, when I get the Disc Alien Ultimatrix, he will go to it. All right. Now, here's the figure. Now the figure hand can spin 360. They both can rotate, as I said before in my video, but you guys already know that. His legs can go up and down. His knees can bend. And his head does not move, and his hips do not move. Now let's go over the paint. Alright, they did pretty good detailing on it. They did pretty good on his hood, and I'm just happy to have Water-Hazard on the first. Well, actually no, I was gonna say I'm the first one to have Water-Hazard, but a lot of people already have him. But yeah. Overall, he's a pretty good guy. He's like a pretty good guy. What I meant to say was, oh yeah, his hands can also bend. I like the black paint on his arms. And here's what I meant to say. I'm glad that I have one of the Ben 10 Ultimate Alien toys. So yeah, thanks for watching my review on Ben 10 Ultimate Alien Water-Hazard. My next review will be on Ultimate Swamp Fire. So yeah, stay tuned for that.